Welcome to my new series, Meals for 4 under $10. Each week, I will bring you a delicious and nutritious meal for 4 people that cost only $10 to make. Each video will include the recipe and grocery list, as well as tips and tricks. This week, we're making this hearty meatloaf. It can be served with some steamed carrots and scalloped potatoes. For this recipe, we will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1/2 sleeve of crackers crushed, 1 egg, 1 onion finely chopped, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. For the topping, we will need 1/2 cup ketchup, 1/4 cup mustard, and 1/4 cup brown sugar. In a bowl, combine the beef, crushed crackers, diced onion, garlic powder, and egg. Mix until just combined. Transfer this mixture into a loaf pan or casserole dish. Next, combine the ketchup, mustard, and brown sugar. Stir until well combined and smooth. Pour over the top of the meatloaf mixture and spread to cover the entire top. Bake at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour or until the meatloaf is done. There you have it. Another delicious and nutritious meal your family will love, all for under $10.